Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update or change your Outlook password. So first, open any browser that you want. So in my case, I'll open Google Chrome and then search for outlook.live.com. Right now, I'm already logged into my account, but make sure you're logged into your account. And then once you're logged in, click on your icon on the upper right part of the screen, and then click on My Microsoft Account. Once you're already in here, click on Security. And then here you'll have an option to click Change My Password. Here they'll ask for an alternative email address, so you can put your alternative email address in here. Click Next. Then they will send the code to that alternative email address. Let's see. Okay, since I have the code, I'll go ahead and type it in here and then click Next. So they were actually asking for the alternative email address that we put it a while ago. So let me just type it in again. Click Send Code. Then type in the code here. Then click Verify. Click No Thanks in here. And then you'll have an option to change your password. So in my case, since I'm not going to really change my password, I'm not going to fill this up. But in your case, just fill this up and then click on the tick box which says make me change my password every 72 days. But if you don't want that, then just leave it blank and then just click on save. And that's how to update or change your password on Outlook. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.